Have you ever stumbled upon a platform that claims to make your life easier but leaves you wondering, is this even legit? Today we're diving into Funngro, a platform that promises to streamline your creative projects. But does it deliver? So, what exactly is Funngro? At its core, Funngro aims to be a creative hub where users can manage projects, collaborate, and share ideas seamlessly. The interface feels user-friendly at first glance, with intuitive navigation that seems geared toward both new and seasoned creatives. You can upload files, track progress, and even communicate with team members all in one place. However, while the functionality appears robust, I noticed some areas that could use more clarity. For instance, details about specific features like file size limits or storage options weren't clearly outlined. It's also a bit vague on who the target audience really is. Is it best for freelancers, small teams, or large organizations? That kind of information is crucial for potential users to make informed decisions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, Fungro's interface is appealing, and the collaboration tools are a solid feature for teams. It definitely has potential for those looking to streamline their workflow. But there are some frustrations. For one, the lack of transparency around pricing and features can be off-putting. If you're someone who values clear communication, you might find yourself a bit lost. Additionally, the vague target audience could make it tough for users to decide if this is the right fit for them. If you're a freelancer or a small team, it might be worth a shot. But if you run a larger organization or need specific functionalities, you may want to explore other options first. In conclusion, Funngro shows promise but leaves a lot to be desired in terms of clarity and transparency. It might be a good fit for smaller teams looking to enhance their collaboration, but larger organizations or those needing specific features may want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth considering, but proceed with caution.